Good morning, everybody. Happy Dragon Boat Festival. Today, we are going to write a beautiful poem. Do you remember the famous poet Chu Yuan, who wrote poems in China? You learned about him for Dragon Boat Festival. Today, we will write our own poem. The poem is about my friend. For the poem, we will use 5 senses. Do you remember the 5 senses? What do eyes do? See. What does your nose do? Smell. What do ears do? Hear. What does our tongue do? Taste. And what do our hands do? Touch. So we will use all 5 senses for our poem. So let's look at how to write the poem. First, we will write about our friend's color. What color can we see? So I'm going to write, my friend is pink. Then we will write, is our friend loud or quiet? What can we hear when we hear our friend? My friend is loud. My friend is loud. Then we will write, how does our friend smell? Does she smell good or smell bad? My friend smells good. Then we will use taste. What does your friend like to eat? My friend eats pizza. And we can talk about touch. How does it feel if you touch your friend? Is your friend hairy? Is your friend soft? Or is your friend hard? My friend is soft. What does my friend say? My friend says, oink, oink. What is my friend? Pink, loud, good, eats pizza, soft, says oink oink. What is my friend? My friend is a pig. Okay. Then you can draw a picture of your friend, of your animal you write about for your poem. So let's see, can I draw a little picture of Piggy? Here's Piggy's head. Here are Piggy's ears. Here's Piggy's nose, mouth, eyes, tummy, hands, legs, and tail. So there's my friend's picture. So let's see my whole poem about my friend Piggy. So my name is Nat. You can write your name. And here's my poem. My friend is pink. My friend is loud. My friend smells good. My friend eats pizza. My friend is soft. What does my friend say? Oink, oink, oink. My friend is a pig. And this is my friend's picture. Okay, so all of you guys can write your own poem, your beautiful words about an animal who is your friend. You can say the color. Is your friend loud or quiet? Does your friend smell good or smell bad? What does your friend eat? How does your friend feel if you touch your friend? What does your friend say? And what animal is your friend? So maybe you can write about a rabbit, or a frog, or a turtle, or a dog, or a cat. You can write about any animal you like. Okay guys, so I hope you have fun writing your poem. Maybe you can ask your family to help you, and then we can share your poems. All right guys, happy Dragon Boat Festival. Have a good week, and I hope we see you soon. Bye-bye.